Good day, my wonderful friends. I welcome you once again to Buchi Online Maths. In this question, we are asked to find the value of x. This is a simple radical equation. So I want you to understand how to solve radical equation using this question. Now, we have square root of x squared minus 7 equals 3. So when you see this type of question in exam, first thing you need to do is to try and eliminate the square root. And in mathematics, we use square to eliminate square root, okay? And when we have square, we use square root to eliminate the square. So in this case now, we have square root. We are going to use square to eliminate the square root. And how to do that is to make sure we square both sides, because whatever you do to this side, you must do it to this other side so that you will balance the equation, okay? Now, let us take the square of both sides. We have x squared minus 7, okay, equals 3. So we are going to take the square of this and also take the square of this so that square will cancel square root. We now have x squared minus 7 equals 3 squared, means 3 multiplied by 3, which is always 9. Okay, next thing is to collect like terms. Minus 7 and 9 are like terms because both of them are constants. No variable is attached to them. So we are going to move minus 7 to the right-hand side. And when we do that, the sign will change, because whenever a negative sign crosses equality sign, it changes to positive, okay? So we will have x squared equals 9 plus 7. And 9 plus 7 is 16. So we have x squared equals 16. Now we have square, which is opposite of square root. And remember, square root can eliminate square, okay? And square can eliminate square root. So in this case now, what we are going to do is to take the square root of both sides of this equation. So we will take square root of x squared and take square root of 16. Because whatever you do to the left side, you also do it to the right side in order to balance the equation. Now, square will be eliminated by square root. We now have x equals square root of 16 is actually plus or minus 4. So we have x when it is 4, that's positive 4, and we have x when it is negative 4. Now let us check the value of x that will satisfy this equation. Remember, for this equation to be satisfied, whatever you have on the left side will equal what you have on the right side, okay? So we are going to fix the value of x here, which is either 4 or minus 4. So when x is 4, let us check if what we have here will be equal to what we have here. If it is not, that means that value will not satisfy the equation. Okay, let's check. We can check from here. Remember, we have x squared minus 7. So checking square root of x squared minus 7. This is what we have in the question, equals 3. Okay, so this should be equal to 3. Now let's see. When x is positive 4, we have 4 squared minus 7. Let us see if it will give us 3. 4 squared is 16 minus 7, okay? Let us see if we will get 3 here. 16 minus 7 is 9, okay? 9, and the square root of 9 is 3. Yes, when x is 4, the equation is balanced. Therefore, plus 4 is the value of x that satisfies this equation. Let's check when x is negative 4. When x is negative 4 from here, okay, we have square root of negative 4, okay, squared, minus 7, equals, let us see whether it will give us 3, okay. Negative 4 squared is minus 4 times minus 4, which is plus 16. Okay, we have 16 minus 7 equals, let's see. So we see we are still going to get the same thing. 16 minus 7 is 9, and the square root of 9 is 3. Therefore, The values of x that satisfies this equation are positive 4 and negative 4. Both values satisfy this equation. And this is how to solve simple radical equation like this. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget this tutorial was brought to you by Buchi Online Maths. You go to Facebook, you will see me on Facebook, Buchi Online Maths. Go to TikTok, I am there on TikTok, Buchi Online Maths, and YouTube, Buchi Online Maths. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Facebook if you haven't done so, and follow me on TikTok as well. Remember to share this video after watching it, and do not forget to drop your question if you have any. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.